What a car, what an engine. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day indeed. We are going to be fitting the M Performance LSD to the M140i. This is something I've wanted to do since I've owned the car, to be honest with you, but it's a big old purchase, so I've just been waiting for one to come up at the right price at the right time, and amazingly, a few weeks ago, a chappie from B&W Scotland, a chap called James, so if you're watching, James, thanks very much, he posted that they had a deal on the M Performance Limited Slip Diff, and it was a considerable amount off the RRP, and I've never seen them go for that new before. So I said to myself, do you know what, now is the time to pull the plug on the differential, and I did. It was a big old purchase, raided the piggy bank, but yeah, it had to be done. I've heard so many good things about it, and from my own experience, I went from an open diff to a quafe LSD on my 330, and it literally transformed the car, and you could feel it every time you sort of drive it, every time you're accelerating out of a corner or mid corner, you know, or having a little bit of fun. Yeah, it's, you know, considering that car had 230 horsepower and not much torque, the difference was huge, so I'm expecting that to be the case for the M140i, considering it has 500 newton meters of torque and 350 brake horsepower. It's a bit scrappy on the old limit, and on track you tend to get a bit of sort of entry, no actually I wouldn't say entry, I'd say mid-corner understeer, and you try and correct it with the throttle and nothing happens. You just get that inside wheel spin and it pushes forward a little bit, so I'm hoping the diff sort of gives me a bit more controllability from the throttle. So yeah, on the way to Tom's to get it fitted. It's very early, and I'll do a little time lapse for you, and then we'll catch up when it's been fitted. So see you in a bit. And there it is, guys. That is going to transform the car. Right guys, so there it is, the diff is on. We're just waiting for the cement to cure for 2 hours. Yeah, it's going to be good. Hey guys, so we're about to leave the garage. The diff's been fitted. I've now got to break it in for 500 miles. It says, you know, sporty driving is fine, but aggressive is not fine until it's been broken in and the oil's been changed. And I guess what that means is no drifting, burnouts, or anything stupid like that. So that's fine. Let's give it a go. I'm quite excited. This is the first time driving it with the limited slip diff. I'm super excited. So far I can't feel anything, but this is just normal driving, so I really do just want to go gentle on it for the time being. But yeah, the diff's all done. So stay tuned for a follow-up video where we will go for a proper drive once it's broken in, and I'll give you my thoughts on how it is and if it's improved the car or not. So yeah, cheers guys, see you later.